Welcome back to Tech Trends and Solutions. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to set up a robotics and mechatronics lab right in your own home. Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or a professional, having a dedicated space for your projects can make all the difference. So, let's dive in and start building your dream lab. Section 1. Planning your space. First, let's talk about planning your space. You'll want to consider the size of your room, the available work surfaces, and the storage options for your tools and components. Make sure to allocate enough space for your workbench, computer, and any additional equipment you might need. Don't forget to consider proper lighting and ventilation as well. Section 2. Essential tools and equipment. Next, let's discuss the essential tools and equipment you'll need for your lab. Some must-haves include a soldering iron, multimeter, oscilloscope, and a set of hand tools like screwdrivers, pliers, and wire cutters. You'll also want to invest in a quality power supply and a variety of electronic components such as resistors, capacitors, and microcontrollers. Section 3. Organizing your workspace. Organization is key to a successful lab. Use shelves, drawers, and storage bins to keep your tools and components organized and easily accessible. Label everything clearly, and consider using a pegboard to hang frequently used tools within reach. A clean and organized workspace will help you stay focused and efficient. Section 4. Safety precautions. Safety should always be a top priority in your lab. Make sure to have a fire extinguisher and a first aid kit on hand, and always wear safety glasses and gloves when working with hazardous materials or tools. Additionally, ensure that your workspace is well ventilated and that you're using proper grounding techniques to prevent electrostatic discharge. Conclusion. And there you have it. With careful planning, the right tools, and a focus on safety, you can create a functional and efficient robotics and mechatronics lab right in your own home. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we can't wait to see what amazing projects you'll create in your new lab. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials from Tech Trends and Solutions.